When student is coming first time for taking admission with his parents, when he is coming, first question which he is asking, he is saying what will the package of mine when after completion of this degree, what I will be getting, how much money I will be getting. Not a single student is asking that what responsibilities I will have to share towards my family, towards my parents, towards the society, towards the nation. No one is asking. So that's a difficult situation. If this type of questions are arising, then situation is quite difficult. You will have to administer those students, and from there you will have to take output. Sometimes some surveys are coming. These basics will be studying. The foremost cycle is Carnot cycle, which is most efficient, and it is also termed as air standard cycle. Name air standard has been given here because working medium, working fluid in this cycle is air. If air is working medium, we are assuming that composition of this air during the cycle, the properties of air, particularly its specific heats, will remain constant. However, in a cycle, heat is added, and if we are adding heat, temperatures are also changing, but we are assuming in air standard cycle that Cp and Cv value.
Experimental research. So in this particular session, I am going to detail out descriptive research. What do we understand by descriptive research, and what are the various types of descriptive research which can be undertaken, and what are the steps involved in the various types of descriptive research. To begin with, let's see what are the various questions which can be answered through descriptive research. Now here you see I have enlisted few. What are the manufacturing processes used in automobile industry in Punjab, Haryana and Delhi? How many automobile industries have complete automation of manufacturing?
Input, but depending upon what is the actual voltage across this. So I will again slide the slider, and as we move the slider to the other end, right, you can show the laptop screen for some time, so we can again come back to this. Okay. So again we are moving the slider. So what we are doing, we are actually capturing the displacement of the slider, in the form of analog signal in our PC. So accordingly, we can arrive at a conclusion that when is the this container full of its contents. So as a liquid or a powder is poured into the container,
that is backward propagation of what? Propagation of errors. That means we calculate the errors, and those errors we will propagate backwardly again in the network, and then again the training will be done. Here the term error comes, but in perceptron there was no error term was there. That was a convergence theorem. We can write like this, that OHP, in considering that we are using the unipolar sigmoidal function, that will be 1 by, again the same procedure, 1 plus e to the power minus lambda, right, is equal to lambda, then IHP, right, minus another term I am introducing now, that is your theta HP. Till now in the single layer we have done that 1 by 1 plus e to the power minus lambda into IHP only, but here I am writing that minus theta HP. Theta HP is known as the threshold, right? Threshold.
After 24 hours, the specimens are removed from the mold. They are then taken to be kept
submerged in clean, fresh water at a temperature of 27 plus minus 2 degrees Celsius. The specimens are kept in the water either for 7 days or 28 days.
Discuss about cybersecurity and things like that. Your opinion, your suggestions are more than welcome. What is cyber engineering getting using a Java applet attack? We'll not be covering all these things, but we will be definitely hacking your Windows 7 using a client-side attack. We'll see that how we can go ahead and maintain the access of the PCs. Once, let's say someone has compromised the machine, then what can be done, to, let's say, if someone turns off his PC and again connects to the internet, how that PC will go ahead and will make a connection back to the attacker's machine. And then we'll have a look at the bypassing the authentication. We'll start off with the bypassing the authentication onto a login web page.